Hello, this is the Tricky Tips Getting Started with Functions tutorial. A function contains a prescribed formula that performs a calculation. So we could add up a column of numbers like this using the following formula that refers to each of the cells to be added together. Alternatively, we could use a function that simply sums numbers up and just refers to the range of numbers rather than each individual cell. I hope you can see already that in terms of simplicity and accuracy, using the sum function in this case to add a series of numbers is far superior. So let's look at some function rules then. Firstly, a function begins with an equal sign. We've just seen that. After all, it is a formula. A function has a name. We've seen the sum function. There are hundreds of functions and each one has its own name and a specific purpose. Many functions then have arguments within brackets to define the inputs on which the operation should be carried out. In this case, the argument required is the range of numbers to be added together, the cell addresses. When inserting a function then, we begin with the equal sign and then we type the name. In some cases, we know the name, we use the function often, but in other cases we don't. You can see that as I type a name of a function, a list of those that match it appear. And as I click on one of these in the list, I get a pop-up description of what that function does, which is great. In this case I do want the sum function, so I'll double click on it to insert it, and you'll see that it's inserted the bracket for me. All I'm left to do is click and drag through the range to be added, close my brackets, hit return, and there I've entered the sum function. But you may want to see all the functions that are available. Do a